Hello guys, so ito yung hapunan ko ngayong gabi na to. Yan guys. Meron akong paprika, red, green, yellow, small cucumbers, tomato, carrots, and it's like papaya guys, this white one. I have grapes, green, and violet, and noodles. So guys, yan po yung hapunan natin ngayon. Gabi na to. So guys, yan yung close up ko lang. Ayan guys. Yan yung grapes, green pepper bells, red, small cucumber, tomato, also grape tomatoes, pepper bells yellow, and grapes green, grapes blue. So this guys is tomato, then like papaya, carrots. I have noodles. So guys, then I have made with some ingredients when I have sugar, palmen, chili, fish sauce, hot sauce, pepper, ground pepper. And guys, yung ground pepper natin. So, and soy sauce. And then, coconut or palm sugar. So guys, yan yung salad natin. Our dinner for tonight. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed. And let's eat. Let's eat guys. Ayan. Okay.